Now, let's start the driver installation. Download the Updating File folder to the computer desktop by using the Cloud Drive's download link. Install the drivers in turn according to the marked number in folder. The first step, install the CH340 driver. Open the Updating File folder. Open the USB to TTL folder. Double-click the CH341SCR driver application. Click Install. Click OK to finish the CH340 driver installation. The second step, Software Setting and Operation Instruction. Open the Updating Software folder. Double-click the Cloud Drive STM32 application. Click the Win and X keys together on keyboard. Click Device Manager. Click Ports to check the connection serial port number. If the serial port number in both positions are same, then no change. If they're different, we shall reselect the right serial port number in the programmer software. Click the Select File button to search and select the program file need to update. Pay attention that, before click the Upgrade Firmware button, we must make sure the programmer's power switch is at off position. Click Upgrade Firmware button firstly, and then quickly turn on the programmer's power switch to start the updating work. The updating time might be a little long, please wait patiently. When the software window indicates Update Over message, the updating work is finished.